Hannah with WTI. If you've been wanting to get into embroidery, then this 4-pack from Ysleen is super great. It's a really great beginner's embroidery kit. It comes with 4 different beautiful moth patterns, and each kit comes with instructions on how to do all of the needlework for each pattern. They come with all of the embroidery thread that you need, 2 needles, and even a threader. So you can get started and learn how to do a new craft. I have found these to be super easy to understand, and I have really been enjoying learning how to do embroidery with these kits. I super appreciate these. I think they're really good quality, and the instructions are really nice and clear, and most of them come with a QR code as well so that you can get some video instruction. So if you're a beginner like me and you want to learn how to do embroidery, then definitely get this 4-pack. I think it is awesome, and that is my point of view.